We were looking at how can we find conditional summary statistics in Stata, where the goal was that we wanted to find the summary statistics per variable for different categories of categorical variables. We started off looking at summarize with if, where we said it becomes inefficient when you want to find a summary statistic of a variable for different categories of categorical variable, because you would need to run the command multiple times for each category of the categorical variable for which you want the summary statistic of. Then we moved on to tab stat. For tab stat, we said it becomes inefficient if you have more than one categorical variable, because it only allows you to specify one categorical variable in by. So it becomes inefficient when you want to impose condition on another categorical variable, because you will again need to repeat the command multiple times for the categories of the second categorical variable using the if condition. And then we talked about BySort. We said BySort eliminates this. It allows you to specify more than one categorical variable. Now, another option apart from BySort with Summarize is that you can use a table option, right? So we talked about one method which helps to deal with the problem that AppStat can only allow you to specify one categorical variable was BySort with Summarize. An alternative solution to the problem that AppStat encounters is the table option. Table option, what we do is we do write table, then we write all the categorical variables we want to specify here. Like by sort with summarize, we can specify multiple categorical variables here. And then after the comma, we write start. In start, we write whichever statistic we want, mean, and then we write all the variables for whom we want the mean of. So if you just want the mean for price, we'll just write price here. If you want the mean for price and weight, we'll write price and weight here. And if you want some other statistic, then you again write start, and in that you write the second statistic you want and all the variables for which you want it. Here, this N format option, we have specified this. This will tell Stata to report the numerical output correct to two decimal places. So let's look at this. Say we wanted to find the average price of domestic and foreign cars. So we'll do table, we'll do foreign, and then in the after the comma we'll write stat. Then we want the mean, and we want the mean for price. And this N format is only telling Stata to display the average price correct to two decimal places. So what this command is going to do is this is telling Stata to provide the mean of price for every category of foreign, right? So it's telling, this is what it's telling Stata, right? Like over here we've mentioned this, right? This is telling Stata, okay, provide with me the statistics of provide me the mean for price for each category of the categorical variable specified here foreign. So if we do this, so we can see Stata is telling us the mean price for domestic cars and for foreign cars, and the total row is giving us the overall summary stats for the variable. The summary stats you would have gotten if you just done summarize price, the unconditional summary statistic. If you don't want to see the overall summary stat, then you can use the option no total also. So if we do no total, so then this will become CTI plus T, right? So this will not display it, so that's a choice. So now say we wanted both average price and average weight of domestic and foreign cars, then what we would do is, so this was telling Stata to display the average price for each category of a foreign variable, right? So now this will, now if I also wanted the average weight for each category of the foreign variable, so after mean price, we'll specify the other variable. So after mean, so in start, like if you want like mean of more than one variable, like you wanted mean of price only initially, so we have price. But if we wanted to find the mean for a mean weight also of domestic and foreign cars, so after price we'll specify weight. So you can specify more than one variable in the start option. So this will give us the average price and average weight for domestic and foreign cars, right? So CTI plus T. So this is telling us the average price for domestic cars is this, the average weight for domestic cars is this. Again, this average price for foreign cars is this, average weight for foreign cars is this. And the total row, like we said, gives us overall summary statistics. So it's telling us the overall, the average price is this, like the unconditional summary statistic that you would get when you just do summarize price. Similarly, this is telling us the average weight is this if you just did summarize weight without any conditions on it. So now what if we wanted average price for domestic and foreign cars with low gear ratio and for domestic and foreign cars with high gear ratio? Then in the table command, what we do is we can specify more than one categorical variable. If we just specify one categorical variable, then it will just give us the stats for the variable we specify here for each category of that categorical variable. If we specify more than one categorical variable, then it will give us stats for this variable for all unique combination of these variables. By unique combination of these variables, it means that it will give us the stat for the case where foreign is 1 and low gear is 1, where foreign is 1 and low gear is 0, where foreign is 0 and low gear is 0, where foreign is 0 and low gear is 1. So for every possible unique combination, it will give us the stat. So if we do this now, right? So we have table. So all the categorical variables. Now it will give us the stats for all unique combination of these two categorical variables. Then in start, we'll just write mean. So we just want the mean price. So we'll just write price here. And then in format again, just displays it correct to two decimal places. So now we can see. So this is telling us the mean. So this is, how do we read this? This is the mean for domestic cars with a low gear ratio, so very high gear ratio. And this is the average price for domestic cars with low gear ratio. This is the average price for foreign cars with high gear ratio. This is the average price of foreign cars with low gear ratio. And again, total is just like the overall summary statistics.